So we're at the local community college, and every weekend they do this used car lot. So it costs a few bucks for you to put your car in the lot, and I don't think they charge any commissions, but usually I'll come out and see if there's anything interesting. Looks like it's pretty full. Sometimes it doesn't get too full, so we'll cruise around, take a look, see if there's anything neat. Maybe a project car that might be available. Sometimes there's some classic. Usually it's newer vehicles, but occasionally you'll get a really interesting car that's a little bit older, and since it's here, it's usually running. You don't have to tow them in. Occasionally I've seen some that get towed in, but usually it's a nice mix of cars, a lot of trucks, but mostly newer vehicles. So I'll cruise around and I'll highlight anything that's super interesting. Wow, this one's a beauty. What is it? 1956 Ford. Looks like 3 on the tree. Yeah. Beautiful. That is nicely done. Nice little 280 Datsun. Like those louvers, rear louvers. Looks like it's been a California car most of its life. It's got that blue plate. Asking for just shy of 10,000. Looks like it's an automatic, but interior looks clean. Body's got some nice patina on it. Pretty cool. Man, it must be Corvette weekend. I think there's 3 Corvettes here, but I always like these Corvettes. 5.7 tune port injection. Bet this got a little get up and go. Can't see inside. The windows are tinted a little too dark. And here's the 3rd Corvette. Here you go. Nice old Toyota pickup. 2-wheel drive. Looks like it was done by some guy that owns an aquarium. But I love these old Toyota pickups. Let's see. It's a 95 Tacoma, and he's asking for $5,400. Not a bad price. Nice little Mark 1. Z3. You can see that. What's he asking for this? $27,000 for an M3. All right, now we come to my favorite part, which is all the bikes that are for sale. Usually a lot of Harley, a lot of Japanese Kawasaki's and Hondas. But I think I spy a Ducati Monster. Wow. Let's see. 2019. He's asking for $14,500. Looks real clean though. Real clean. Aftermarket can on there. Man, that's a sweet bike. And let's keep going down the line here. Quad. Some Suzuki's. Oh, Kawasaki adventure bike. I've been looking for one of these. 2020 for $5,300. It's actually not a bad deal. Looks pretty new. We'll keep going here. Ton of RVs. So if you want to go RVing, this is the place to pick up something for the summer. And then what I see a lot of people do is they'll buy them, use them all summer, and then come back in the fall and then put it back in the same lot and resell it. So they try to rent these things basically for free during the summer. Lots of boats too out here. But yeah, I'll see a lot of the same ones that were for sale, and then they'll be for sale again in the fall. But check out this one. Kind of neat vintage boat, vintage speedboat. Only asking for $6,000. I love that. I love the wood, old style wood on here. That probably needs to get replaced, but cool looking rig. A couple pontoon boats. There's a little Airstream down there and a few more Winnebagos. Anyway, thanks for coming along as I check out all the stuff for sale.